I don't know if you can hear this, but we met some friends at the Cracker Barrel restaurant in Casa Grande, and apparently every night a swarm of starlings descends on all the trees in the parking lot. I'll be quiet for a minute and see if you can hear them. I'm just going to slowly pan around. All these trees. And there's a bunch more down that way. Everybody says it reminds them of the Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. Anyway, I thought it was interesting. Hope you enjoyed it.